Now the website on your screen is a file sharing website called 4Shared.com. Now it might look pretty ugly, but it is actually pretty popular, and I'm going to give you two reasons why. First reason is that it's free to use, so I can upload files to this website completely free, and it stops my hosting account being used just to host files that are being shared online. Secondly, there's lots of illegal download products being shared on here. Now that's obviously unfortunate for product creators and people who are having their products shared for free illegally. But as a marketer, we have to take advantage of those opportunities. So what I would personally recommend is that if you have any content at all, whether it's a free ebook, whether it's photographs related to your niche, whether it's podcasts, whether it's video tutorials, I would always recommend sharing them on here. Now, the key to getting people to download them is to name them similar to what people are going to be looking for on here. So if there's any products in your niche that are really popular that people might be looking for on here to download, you could name your ebook or your tutorial video similar to those particular products. So what you're looking to do is basically collect the fall off in terms of search, people searching for products. So that's the way that this would work, and as always, if you have content, I would always recommend redistributing that across different sharing platforms anyway, because the more places that your content's placed, the more chance you've got of different people downloading it and in turn returning to your website.